Alright guys, we got an awesome car here for you today. We got a 2009 R35 Gtr. This car is awesome, alright? It's modified pretty heavily. It's got the AAM Competition GT800R turbo kit on here that are kind of a blend between precision turbos and Garrett turbos. They're dual ball bearing. It comes with intakes. It's got some Tial blow-off valves. Downpipes, you know, the works basically, a custom exhaust as well. So we're looking for a pretty big number out of this. This has got the VR38. It's a 3.8 V6 engine. So we got her strapped down to the dyno here. Let's see what kind of numbers she makes. Makes 670 horsepower and 572 foot-pounds of torque. This thing's a monster, a beast. And we got it for sale right now, $57,900. Contact us, drivermotorsports.com. Check it out. We got more pictures and videos up of this car. So call me, Chris Driver, 434-942-5424. Let me sell you this beautiful car, all right? So anyway, it's awesome. I don't know much more to say about it other than that's on gas, okay? On 22 PSI on pump, all right? It's got a flex fuel tune on it. You can put E85 in there and supposedly it makes 770 on E85. I don't think we're gonna test that and push it too hard. It isn't ours, it is on consignment. Be sure to like, subscribe, and look for more awesome dyno videos from Driver Motorsports.